What's good? It's your boy Dre, also known as Mr. Po Folk Everything, and today I'm back with another one. As you can see, we got us a 6.0 right here, and we're gonna clean this engine up today. We're gonna give it the bath that it deserves. We're gonna knock off years of filth off of this thing. This engine here came out of a 2006 Cadillac Escalade, but I don't know if y'all can see that, but right there, focus, it's a remanufactured sticker. Now it says 428 2011. Can y'all see that? So I guess at some point this engine was replaced, and then it ended up in my hands. So today we're gonna wash it up, and this is what we got right here. We're gonna use this Easy Off heavy duty oven cleaner. So we're gonna take our oven cleaner and we just gonna start hitting it everywhere. We're gonna hit it. Now there's different ways to do this. You can take the intake off if you want to. Just if you do take the intake off, make sure you take your push rods out. That way, if you take the push rods out, it closes all the valves so that no water can get into it. I like doing mine like this. Just it makes me feel like, you know, I ain't got to worry about no water getting in it, even though there still might be a little bit of water that gets in her. I really don't worry about it too much. You know, it's little to nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and spray it down real good. Spraying down real good. And we're gonna let this bake. We're gonna let it bake. Leave it on there for about 20 minutes. And then after that, we'll come through and we'll hose it off. And we'll do that a couple times till we feel like, you know, it's clean enough for us to do what we need to do. So when I'm cleaning the engine, I do not worry about cleaning the oil pan. I know for a fact that I'm gonna use a swap pan, so to me there's no reason to waste my time cleaning the oil pan. Also, usually I always switch the heads out, and I put a different pair of heads on it, so when I take them off, I won't clean them now, but when I go to use them at a different time, since they'll already be off, to me it's easier to clean them when they're off. So for me, I just hit the engine itself, you know, everything that I'm gonna be cleaning, everything that's gonna get painted, everything that's gonna, just to get the filth off, you know what I mean?